Press and hold the on/off button for 5 seconds. Warm up time 60 seconds. Press the OK button to enter the single gas channel. Left and right keys can be switched. Press OK to enter the graph. Press the menu key to enter password 51. Menu includes zero calibration, concentration calibration, factory resume, data logging, alarm settings, gas information, system settings, device information, gas reservoir, system diary. Now zero calibration. Now need to calibrate the gas channel. Just press the OK button. Concentration calibration. Select the gas channel to be calibrated. The first level concentration value is set to the standard gas value. Pass in the standard gas for concentration calibration. Reset. Select the specific channel that needs to be restored to the factory. Just restore it. Concentration can be restored, recovery alarm, and full recovery. Data logging. Start. You can select the gas channel to inquire about. Well, click to inquire. Alarm switch setting. Restriction. Specific information. The quantity component value is the unit. System settings. Boom switch hole clogging alarm. Time setting. Cam port settings. Also set 1 to 255. Screen settings. Can be set to Chinese and English. Device information. Version information. Factory information. Sensor. Calibration information. Equipment self-test. Gas reservoir. VOCS. EX. Toxic gas. Size log.